Hello guys, dahil day off ko, so maglagay muna ako ng fiberglass. Palitan muna natin yung fiberglass bago ay cut ng grinder. Pag naputol na, bubutasan yung paglalagyan ng tornilyo at ilalagay yung fiberglass sa ibabaw ng plaka.
When you lose your keys and you crash into things life I don't exist. Don't tell me what to do. You look pretty young for someone with a PhD. Are you really my dad? You're old.
Ayan guys, ikakabit na natin yung plaka na may takip na fiberglass. Tapos maikabi yung paka. Yung cart naman yung aayusin lagyan ng Revit dahil natanggal na yung dinding ng cart. Medyo natutuklap na yung dingding ng cart, barenahan muna lagyan ulit ng Revit.